So, how do you like the show so far? Majesteiten, ik hoop dat u geniet. Ja, ik moest een foto maken voor mijn moeder. Kunt u even wuiven? Dank u wel, dank u wel. Hartelijk bedankt, hartelijk bedankt. Wale, we gaan nu naar hip-hop. Wat heb jij met hip-hop?
Aha. Hip-hop.
Ja.
I said a hip-hop, the hip to the hip-hop, the hip.
Oké, dat is old school. Nee, maar we gaan nu naar iets heel bijzonders, dames en heren. Want deze guy heeft Arubian roots. De guy has Arubian roots.
Ja.
En hij is een van de allerbeste hip-hop artiesten op dit moment van Nederland. Hij heeft als enige Nederlandse hip-hopster een contract gehad om met de Amerikaanse compagnie te toeren door 50 landen over de hele wereld. Als deze guy in Zurich komt, raken ze hun verstand kwijt. Als hij in Zuid-Afrika komt, people are jumping the stage in madness. And he's here tonight. Back to his roots. Ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for the one and only Piet Velez!
Yeah. Let it be known I was born in Aruba, so make some noise. Welcome to my journal again. I know it's been a long while since I wrote to my friends. I got caught up in the business, getting caught up in the business. I stepped in every drop imaginable, money to this is me speaking truthfully. Just what to expect from Mr. P. Filet. I see everything around me changing. Maybe only thing that's really changing is me. Either way, I'm exactly who I want to be right now. Exactly where I need to be right now. So tell me, how can an MC dissing me ever really affect me right? Like years ago, when I was just a little young, you with so much to show and so much to prove. Plus your acts to grind, tracks to find, just to relax my mind. World of chaos, playing who's the boss, mentally broke shit, cash the floss, tossing your ideas inside, no easy ride. Yo, I gotta think high, plus my promise go. And I know, no matter what they gon' say, get out of my way, get out of my way today, yeah. See, I know, no matter what they gon' say, get out of my way, yeah. Out of my way today. When everything hit, still felt like a struggle. Even when it was a good man, I knew I was in trouble. Had to think on the double, had my vision low. When I felt like I was crossing oceans, might have been a puddle, but I wouldn't know, felt I couldn't grow, so I had to pump the brakes. Stop the freaking show, cinnamon in my chai tea. Then and then with my wifey, simple things again. Now I see everything around me changing. Maybe only thing that's really changing is me. Explanations I seek so impatiently. Had me rough and no rugged and running up shit's creek. I see, I be MC. Everything else just secondary to this legendary. When it comes to the live show, yeah. And I know, no matter what they gon' say, get out of my way, get out of my way today, yeah. And I know, no matter what they gon' say, get out of my way. And yo, Aruba, help me out. We gon' dance a little. Here we go. See everything around me changing. How's that? See everything around me. Dance with me now. See everything around. See everything around. See everything around me changing. See everything around me changing. See everything around me changing. See everything around. See everything around. See everything around me changing.